Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Part 4 of this, I never dreamed there would be 4 parts, but I thought of a little bit quicker way to do something. We're going to select it all, and we're going to go to Object and Group and ungroup it all. And then we're going to take all the lines and turn them into a hairline. And if you remember from part 3, we had to go around and fix all 4 of these. Well, let's try this. Let's take a 2-point line and hit P, Control D, rotate it 90 degrees. And then we can take our virtual segment delete key and delete all this. Now we only have to repair that one corner. So we'll get rid of our lines and we'll go ahead and repair our corners by taking these and breaking these lines apart. Whoop, don't want to do that. And then we can turn it back into a 1/2 point line. And if you remember from the first video, we took the shape tool, got those nodes, open up the Docker windows, Dockers, join curves, and we'll hit apply. Now all we have to do is we'll go ahead and group this together, Control G, Control D, alternate C that's going to rotate it from the center of the page, and then hit 90 degrees all the way around. That way you only had to repair the one thing. I don't really think you'd have to join the nodes because you can't see it. I mean, they're perfect. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.